how to get back view once photo on WhatsApp. Normally, when someone sends you a view once image, you can only open it a single time, then after that, it disappears. Now, here's how to do this to view the photo once again. First, launch WhatsApp on your phone, and then navigate to the conversation where you received the view once photo. You'll know it's a view once image because it has a small one icon next to the thumbnail. Go ahead and tap it to open the image, and once you close it, it won't give you the normal option to view it again. Now, here's the trick to do that. Here on the bottom of the screen, there is a gear icon that says Settings. Click on Settings and scroll down and choose Storage and Data. At the top, tap on Manage Storage, and inside Manage Storage, you'll see a list of your conversations ranked by storage usage. Tap on the conversation where the view once photo was sent. And from there, you should be able to see the photo that was sent. And that's how to recover or view again a WhatsApp view once photo.